So essentially, your A1C is a representation of how often your fat cells are told to stay closed, to keep that fat within the fat cell and not lost into circulation where it can be used for energy. And if you can get that lower, those fat cells can open up and actually circulate the fat to be used for energy. If you have a high A1C and you're overweight, you need to focus on dropping that A1C. I'm going to explain that in this post. This is what your normal bloodstream kind of looks like if you took a cross-sectional area of your blood vessel. You have blood cells here that are floating around. You have these little glucose molecules and all kinds of stuff floating around in there. Okay, let's split the blood cells in half, and this is just a representation, but inside your blood cells, you have these molecules called hemoglobin that help you transport oxygen. Down here, the hemoglobin is coated in this film. This is the glucose that coats it if you have too high of a blood sugar too often. Your high A1C is a proxy for chronic glucose exposure. This usually also means elevated insulin exposure, lots of oxidative stress. All of these things aren't good for your ability to lose fat because insulin itself directly affects your ability to release fat into the bloodstream from your fat cells. This is why controlling your diet and resistance exercise become important because these require blood sugar in the form of glucose. And this will look different based on the individual because we all have different lives that we lead. But let me know your thoughts in the comments. 30-minute sessions in my bio if you want to learn how to do this for your specific circumstance, and I will see you all in the next one.